there.
PC feels like that camera looks really great.
Oh, isn't it? It feels better.
It feels better. And you know what? Doris just sent you some balloons, so that was very nice.
Thank you, Doris.
Thank you for that, Doris. That's awesome. And we've got the crazy cap on here. We've got the baby carrying bag. We've got a $225 gift certificate to Amazon.
Oh, yeah, $225 gift certificate right here. Beep, 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 beep.
And you know what?
It goes up $25 each week if it's not one. So it's all the way up to $225. It's going to go all the way up to $500. So you could win $500. We've got so many.
Yeah. Okay, so Jamie's. Let me just tell you right now, Jamie.
Who put that there? This is my prize, Will. I'm in charge of the prize, Will. Someone else has been touching my prize, Will.
I'm so proud of that.
We'll delete that right away.
Nope. We're going to demonstrate that right now. So PC Phil just asked how your birthday pizza was. So what you guys might not be able to see on the prize wheel is I was able to sneak in and put something on the prize wheel.
I'll show you what she did to my prize wheel.
I did this. He's going to zoom in on this. Let's see if you can see it.
Oh, I can't zoom on.
Oh, you can't zoom on
I got to exit the full screen and then I can zoom.
Oh, there we go. So
right there.
It says RS plus Jamie rap. What that means is you get a respin plus Jamie will rap you a song. Because here's the thing.
Against his will.
Against his will. So here's the thing. What a lot of people don't know is
right there. There's the evidence right there.
Yeah.
Someone has been playing with my wheel.
That was me. So here's the thing. Jamie is very skilled at improv. We're trainers. We both go into large corporations, and we train corporations, and we use the modality of improv. And Jamie has been international at doing this. He's worked with major corporations in Australia to help teams merge when corporations are doing a takeover and they're needing to merge very quickly. So he's been using improv. However,
a sing-song bonus spin.
A sing-song bonus spin. Exactly.
Don't encourage a PC film.
Exactly.
Do not encourage
That is exactly it. I love it. And so the funny thing is about improv is Jamie is a master at it, which means it's impossible for me to argue with him because he can spin anything. Get it? Spin.
You're learning. It's not so much that we argue. It's that Amy's forgotten that there's actual evidence out there that's contrary to what she's saying. So I'm only supporting her desire to be more truthful. That's all it is. Because I care.
You love it. We all love it. You are talented. Can I win you both to train our management team? Yes, you can, Doris. We do. We train teams all the time, and we have fun with it and that's how you learn is by having fun. And so, but
actually, it's really good. Like just Doris with your management team, just to let you know, if you can encourage an environment or a situation where people are having fun and they're using their imagination, your productivity increases 20 to 25%. And even more importantly, if you're the company owner, your sick leave and sick benefits decreases dramatically because people don't have that stress about going to work. So it's actually very beneficial.
And using improv in your work, and we'll teach you guys.
Hey, Bella's mom's here.
Oh, Bella's mom, welcome back. Awesome, glad you're here. And so the funny thing about the actually sing-songy type of improv brain training games that Jamie uses, it's his least favorite of all the improv games. He's like, he doesn't like doing them as much as he enjoys the other ones. He's good at it. It's not his favorite. However, as personal growth coaches, we always encourage each other and our clients to get out of their comfort zone. So I wanted to help Jamie get out of his comfort zone by adding it to the prize. Well, I thought it would be fun. So we're actually going to do a demo of it right now, how it works.
Oh, wow.
So someone's going to win that particular prize right now. Pull up the game names. Pull up the names. And what I want you guys right now to do is start throwing some words into the chat.
Feel the joy.
Of what you want him to say. Good spin, Amy. So we want you to put some words into the chat. It could be like an animal or a feeling or whatever, like some random words that he can throw into this rap.
All right, and so the rap will be about the person then
that we're going to draw right now.
Okay, let's see how this
Word
works.
one is pizza. Doris goes, Phil, do you work in my department? Doris? Evans family! Evans family!
Evans family's here today, and that is all that I want to say. And Amy's pushing me for more, so come on now, let's open the door. Evans family, have some pizza. We're going to enjoy this pie. Everybody, come on in. And except for you, little fly.
Oh!